Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I'm going to share all of the Letter of the Week activities we did with our preschooler and kindergartner. Looking back on 3 full years of Letter of the Week activities with our little ones has been such a sweet reminder that learning truly happens in small, everyday moments. This video is going to focus on the second year we completed these activities since I didn't fully document the very first year with our son, and I will be sharing our most recent year of Letter of the Week activities for our preschooler in a second video. This particular year was really special and meaningful because it was our second time doing Letter of the Week activities with our son and our very first time including our 2.5-year-old. Even though they were at completely different ages and stages, we loved finding ways for them to learn alongside each other while still making sure each child had activities that were developmentally appropriate for their age and skill level. Throughout each week, we explored one letter at a time through hands-on learning, puzzles, vocabulary activities, crafts, learning journals, workbook pages, and lots of play-based practice. Both of our little ones participated in introducing new letters, learning words that started with each letter, and expanding their vocabulary together. When it came to crafts and fine motor activities, each child had something designed just for their level. Our preschooler worked on simple learning journal activities like matching uppercase and lowercase letters with dot stickers, and cutting and gluing letters into the correct sections. On those same days, our kindergartner worked through more advanced Letter of the Week workbook pages and even helped his little sister sort uppercase and lowercase letters into bins for her activities. Watching him step into that helper role was one of my favorite parts of this journey. Reflecting back now, one of the biggest things I would change, knowing what I know now about teaching little ones how to read, is that I would place a much stronger focus on letter sounds right from the beginning. The first 2 years that we did our Letter of the Week activities, I focused heavily on mastering letter names and recognizing uppercase versus lowercase letters while only gently introducing sounds. But during our third year of Letter of the Week activities, I intentionally focused more on the sounds each letter makes, especially those short vowel sounds and the primary sounds for every consonant. What surprised me the most was how naturally our preschooler began recognizing uppercase and lowercase letters simply through exposure and play. Even before confidently naming every letter, she understood many of their sounds, and that made blending sounds together and beginning to decode simpler 3-letter words feel much easier and more natural for her. This experience reminded me that reading truly starts with sound first. Letter names absolutely matter, but building strong phonemic awareness and helping children connect letters to sounds early on can make a huge difference in the home. These little moments of learning together have honestly become some of our favorite homeschool memories, and I'm hoping that by sharing ours, it encourages you to create your own using what you already have around you. Learning doesn't have to be perfect or complicated for it to be meaningful. I do appreciate you all for being here, and I hope you enjoy all of our Letter of the Week activities. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.